guys, welcome to Tech World Tude. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows 10 offline. First of all, you have to check your version, which version you are using. Then you have to open a browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Search on Google Windows 10 update story. Click on the first link. Here you can see Windows 10 version 1607, which is I am using on my computer. Here you can see my version is 1607 also. Just select a update from here. I selected a update from here. Now you can see the update name and known issue in this update. How to get this update. To get the update alone package for this update, go ahead, just you have to click here. Now from here you have to select which update you want to download. I am using Windows 10 version 1607. That is why I am going to download this. Just click on download and you will get a pop-up window here. Then you can see download updates. Just click the link. Then it will start downloading here. Just wait until download. After downloading, just click on .msu file. You have to double click on that file. Then it will start installing on your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.